Today we're going to go over how to uninstall your anchor cable from a Model 2001 drum and reinstall a new anchor cable. So first things first, we need to be able to take that inner drum out. So that is held on by a single snap ring that's inside the back hub of the drum. So we'll get our snap ring pliers, put that onto that snap ring, then we'll pull our inner drum out of the outer drum. To do that, set it on its back, and we'll pivot this around so this cable is sweeping out at the V. Pulling this in place. From there, hold on to your drum, simply pull inner drum out, slide that all the way out of the way. Then we'll pull out the rest of our cable. And it'll lock in place right at the end inside that V. We'll flip our drum back over and loosen up our cable clamp. It has two 1/2-inch bolts going through it, so a 1/2-inch wrench works perfect. You do not have to take it all the way out. Just loosen it up. Once that's thoroughly loosened up, I put a little bit of weight on the drum to lock the drum in place, and then we're going to reach in here and pull the cable out from underneath that clamp. After that, we can take our old anchor cable, set it aside, and grab our new anchor cable. Now, for installing the new anchor cable, I do the same thing. I like to put a little weight on the drum here so it holds the drum in place. We always want to make sure our anchor cable is getting installed so that the female end is facing forward. And then we're going to slide this into that clamp in a counterclockwise motion. So we're pushing this in counterclockwise so that the cable winds in clockwise. So we'll put this to the right of that cable clamp if we were looking directly at it. Push this in here so it pivots a little cable in. And then we're going to simply shove that cable in so it is behind that clamp with any exposed cable past. We'll tighten up that cable clamp. Once that cable's in. Once that's snug, put this back down. We're going to grab our inner drum and we're going to slide that cable through the arm of the inner drum from the back side here. We'll slide this through the back side of the inner drum. I like to kind of rotate this as I'm going through. It slips out from the inner drum. Then we'll pull the cable all the way through. Put some weight on that drum again to hold it in place. Pull this all the way through. And what we need to do is get that shaft into the center of that drum hub. So we'll bend this, pivot this around. So that shaft's right at the center of that drum hub. And then we'll put a little bit more weight on this. And it'll pop in place. Push a little bit extra cable in. And then we will simply install a new snap ring right in the center of that hub. And then our anchor cable is installed.